All right. So let's look at um, power ups, kind of like integration. So again, you see, this is my board, this is my tool, this is all of those things. Now, right here, you see power up, like that's plug. It's called power ups. Literally, it gives you an idea of all the things that you can integrate with it. So when you click on that, you see, bringing additional features to your board and integrate apps like Google Drive, like Slack, and more. I don't have any right now on this board. So I want to add a couple. I click on Add Power Ups, and it shows me a list of all the apps in quote that I can add. For example, let's go to Gmail. Literally, when you do this, you'll be able to create cards on Trello in your Gmail inbox. If you have a team and they already use Microsoft Teams, you can link Trello to Microsoft Teams. And from Microsoft Teams, you can see your board. You can get notification of Trello while you're in there. Google Drive, you can access some files. Remember the way I said attach, and it's on my Google Drive. I can access it right there and then bring it here. List limit, Slack. If you have like a Slack channel, can bring the two together. So when there is a notification about a particular ticket, you get it in an email, you also get it on Slack. Most especially for, some people that travel and, all those airlines, they say, well, we're only giving you, Wi-Fi for messaging. You can send messages on those IM, but you cannot see your email. And I want to get notification about what's happening in there. So you can click on this. If you want to be able to vote on cards, you can add this as well. So there's so many things that you can add. So I'm just going to randomly add like two. So I add this, well, there are two steps. There's add and there's configure. You add means you enable it, and then you now have to configure it. Of course, configuring it means you are now signing in to those accounts to be able to create that integration. Can you also embed AI tools? If you find the tools here, this is a list of all the tools that you can, integrate. You can see right there, all these tools. So if you see, you can see the feature tool. If you can search for a tool, if it's here, it will show. Say, for example, cloud. Is it cloud? Yeah. Probably you can't. So let me add G. So I add this. You see, I add it. It says now it's available for you, but you have to set it up. I'm going to do, I don't want to get into my Gmail and all of that. I'm going to do one more. Maybe Slack. Slack, add. And then maybe voting as well. Now, when I close this, and then when I click on my power up, you see the ones that I've added right now. You can see enabled power up, Google Drive, access your Drive files for a project directly from its card, or create and attach new drive. The same, connect your communication and collaboration apps so that no ideas or tasks fall through. Voting, give power to the people and allow users to vote on cards. So when you're going to be integrating it, it's going to ask you to, sign into those apps. I don't want to sign in into them right now. Any question so far?